Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today is Friday, so you know what that means. Company Spotlight Day, and today we are doing Trinity stamps. Now, I love Trinity. This is one of my favorite cards that I have made with one of their stamp sets, and I'm going to show you guys the stamp sets that I own throughout the video, but I wanted to show you this card because this one was one of my favorites, and I gold heat embossed the flowers, and then I watercolored it on the craft paper, and then matted it on a black card base, or I'm sorry, I matted it on a black base, and then of course it's white on the inside, and I did add a couple little flowers. But they have some amazing products. Like, I waited a little bit to do this video because they have a big release happening today. So I didn't want to, I wanted them to get the release out first so that I could, you know, make my video. Here's another fun shaker card that I made with one of their slimline die sets. And this one was so simple, not just the slimline dies, but I also used the rainbow and cloud die cuts that they had. And it was no coloring. This is all ink blended with distressed inks. And then this one I just, again, it's that same image. I just put it on some watercolor paper and colored it for my daughter. And of course, you can't forget the slimline envelope maker. This has saved me many a times because I don't like the plain business envelopes. They're not, I don't know, they're just not pretty. And you can pattern paper, I mean anything, which is good for me because I have tons of pattern paper and I just don't use it. So let's get into the stamps and stuff that I have. Move these guys off to the side. This is one of my newest ones, and it's the Just Keep Swimming stamp set. I really like this because it's got all these cute little bubbles. So not only do they have stamps and dies, but they also have embellishments, which I'm going to show you later on. Crafty tools. This is where I also picked up my ink on 3. Not even going to try it again. My ink pads. So yeah, it's not just stamps and dies. They have stencils. I have a slimline stencil from them that I did not. Let's see if I can do this without knocking my entire craft room over. But I picked up the, give me just a second here. See, more prepared. Gotta be more prepared. And a couple of my cards, I'm going to put videos in the pictures, or I'm going to put pictures in the video because I've sent them to some of my crafty friends. So here is the slimline die, and this is the Lots of Dots, and it's a 6x9, and you get four stencils in this. So, let's see. Let me see how I can do this. So this one has a, like, gradient circles. So you have, you know, the larger ones, and it eventually gets smaller in the middle. You have big circles, some little circles, and then of course some medium-sized circles. But these fit my slimlines perfectly. But yeah, you guys need to go check them out on Facebook, Instagram. They have their own YouTube channel. Be sure to visit their site. They have a ton of new things listed today for their new release. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to place my order for that one. So this was the stamp set that I used the most, and it's called Love You Bunches. So you get, you know, this big floral, and it almost takes up your whole card front. And then you have these little flowers to go along with it, and you know, you have the I love you bunches, hello, and for you. And then of course, these are the ones that I made my teacher cards from when the whole pandemic hit. So this one is Your Existence makes this world better. So this one's called A Better Place. This is not a card, it's a hug with a fold in the middle. And of course, we have sending you love and happy thoughts. So I made all the teachers in our, well, teachers and staff at our school, all cards using these 3 images. And like I said, I'll have photos in the video. And my favorite this is one I use my slimline shaker for. And this is the happy hour set from Trinity. I love this little glass, the olives. I mean, it's so fun. So this one has sending you a little time, happy hour, birthday, cheers, and quarantini. So now on to the dies that I have. So this was one of my very first slimline purchases. And this is the Stitched Slimline series. And I didn't want to open these ones until I was ready to film because I don't want to lose any pieces, and I am a loser of pieces. So you get four dies. And of course, you know, I like this one here for doing my shakers. When I do, well, I should say when I do a slimline shaker, because it just cuts my windows out and I save all the pieces from the windows, because you can use them for anything. So yeah, this is the Stitched Slimline. And of course the envelope die. Now I need to get bigger packaging for these because this one is pretty big. That one doesn't go there. So the nice thing with the envelope maker is not only do you get the envelope maker, okay, so these are the pieces for the envelope maker. Get this guy out of here. Yeah, these are the pieces for the envelope maker. And like I said, it has saved me because I like, and I didn't glue this one all the way down just yet. I do use a double-sided tape for this because I don't want glue to be seeping in anywhere to where it would get on my card, or it stick and I won't be able to get my card inside of there. So you get that. You also get this scallop frame, which is super pretty. I love it. I love how thick it is. See, I mean, I got my washi tape all over all my die cuts because I use them all the time. Here's the other little circle piece for the envelope maker. You also get, let me move these to the side here for a minute. You also get these super cute word dies. So it cuts them out. So you can just have the regular, you know, without the outline, and then you have one that is the outline. Oh, these two don't go in here. So you get friend, or you get hello and friend. Those are the two that you get in this one. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out. I will have their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I will have their shop listed. I will link all the things that I have if they're still available. But like I said, they just launched their new release today, and there are a ton of fantastic things. So let me go ahead and grab my embellishments because I hoard them. I need to use them more, but I am a self-admitted hoarder of my embellishments. So let me get them here. And you'll see as soon as I start setting these down, you're gonna see all of my embellishments from Trinity. just when you think I've stopped. Just kidding. Now some of these also come in the packages as when you order, which is super nice. This one is actually from Courtney's kit. But as you can see, oh, I have so many, and it's just so many. So now this one was a free with a purchase, and I just put them in these little containers. So my husband came downstairs, and I do not film with anybody in the house. It's just a weird thing that I have. So here's another one. And this was also a free with purchase. But look how pretty. All kinds of different colors, shapes. Look, see, and I spilled them all over the place. And these are flat back, so they'll be nice for, you know, shaker cards. Some avocados. This is avocado toast. My daughter loves this one. But look at these little avocados. They're so cute. This one is cave crystals. So they're super pretty. I mean, this one is neon lights, and I am a neon person, but I gotta force myself to use these because I need to share them with everybody. Not just these, but all of my embellishments. Let's see, this one is Caribbean Ocean. So just a mix of blues. Reading Rainbow. And these ones are the clay ones. I don't know if the avocado ones were clay as well. Eye of the Storm. So they're really, you know, and they're all flat back, which makes it nice. This was another free with purchase. Let me grab these ones out of here, because they're not, you guys aren't always going to get the same ones. So my last, so this one is one with Courtney's kit. And it's just so pretty. So then we have Bubble Blowout, and these are flat backs. And they do look like little, you know, bubbles that you would blow. Like little bubble machines. I've had to hide these ones from my daughter because she keeps trying to steal them. And then we also have Coconut Cream, and these are heart clays. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Trinity. Like I said, they have a huge release today. And that's my company spotlight for the week. So I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I am working on getting some more things uploaded for you today. That will be throughout the weekend. I'm trying to get on a better schedule, just so it's more consistent for everybody, including myself. Like, I have to get on a much better schedule. Plus, I have some super exciting news for you guys coming in the next couple weeks, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.